Hindi mo nag-skill pre. Hindi naman siya nag-skill. Ano? O yung natitil sa gabong to. Shit, patay ako. May boots pa yan. Ha? Putang ina naman! Sira lang laro ko sa bobong puno na to. Pilit kasi! Pilit! Masyadong pilit! Tang ina, na-miss ko na naman yung creeps. Itong baho mo maglaro. Pukin ang ina mo. Dami ko tuloy na-miss na wave! Tang ina na itong bobong to. Level 5 na siya. Level 6 na to soon. Oh, dito talaga. Buisit! Tang-ina ka! Putang ina kang rank 2K kang bobo ka! Puking ina mo eh. Ito sa gagong to parts. Yan na ito. Patay na naman ako dito. May shard pa to eh. Ikot pa siya eh. Patapusin ko to. Patay na naman ako nito. Kapatong push na to eh. Nakakatilt naman to. Oh, nagsisave pa rin talaga siya na may drinking buddies pa pala siya. Ma-outrun ako dito. Hindi pa yung TP ko pag mamatay ako dito. Ryoxyline, kumusta? Cabron. Ayan na yung struggle. Ang pangit kasi nung dalawang mistake eh. Tang-ina. Sobrang daming wave yung nauubos. Pangit nung kamali na itong bobong ano na to. Tawagin na M-word eh. Tusgag ka talaga pag tumama pa yan. Shit, may level 6 na siya. Patay ako pre. Omni Splash. Nabastos tuloy ako. Alis ka dito para mag-level up ako. Putang ina mong bobo ka eh. Akang kwenta, king ina mo ka. Patay ka.
Your bottom tower is being attacked.
Mega kill!
Ayaw mag-omni-slash ni Gago.
Radiant's courier has been callously murdered.
Need to find some place. Grabe naman yung 1 damage na yan. Vladimirs pa rin. Ano yung Vladimirs? Ito lang yung Vladimirs.
Your
Ay,
middle
mag-first
tower
hit
is
bash.
being attacked. Your middle tower is under siege.
Omni slash. Time zone nga pala ito. Makakapag-omni ba siya sa time zone? Makakapag-omni siya, no?
Your top tower is under attack.
Sobrang layo naman na ang fight. Sige, pressure niyo yan, pressure niyo yan.
Radiant structures have been fortified.
Ganda yan, ganda yan. Projectile lang ata. Eh di ba may roots yun? Eh di ba roots yun? Check natin mamaya kung makapag ano siya.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Ganun lang yung mga opportunities na hanap ko eh. Tapos, balik farm agad. You save the Huskar. Give him space. O, diba? Baka ba rin PH yan, Chuya? Labang ko kumelon. Nakakapag-omni talaga. Nakakapag-omni? Sige. Salamat, salamat. At least. Para hindi tayo matouch mo, pre.
Your middle tower is being attacked. Radiant structures have been fortified.
Cocomelons. Wala. Free void. Oo, pre. Baka ayot yan. Hindi ka na nasanay sa akin, ayot. Wala na sila. TLG, nasa mid pala eh. Okay, tipian ko ulit yung Oscar na yan pag igugo nila yan. Napunta na sila sa akin. Okay, back. Back pre! Back pre! Back pre! Back pre! I'm still under kasi eh.
Try to push top, guys.
Yeah, go try to push top. I'm also pushing bot, guys. They're at bot. I think 4 people at bot. Uy, grabe to ah. Ang i-snipe ng SF ah. Beef Supreme is doing it! Baka Beef Supreme yan!
I have TP bottom, guys, ha? Ready bottom.
Ready bottom ba? Yeah.
Killing spree! On edge!
Going mid, let's go.
Go nyo lang. Puntayin nyo silang mid, guys.
Killing spree!
Booyah! May diffusal na. Booyah! Booyah is doing it!
On edge!
Tama na, na-outreach pa rin ako nito. Gago naman to. Naka-brumandal ako eh.
Double kill!
The enemy's middle tower has
Go
been
rush, bro.
destroyed.
Go.
Clear the Russian, guys.
Yeah, get the data and go Roshan, guys. I will show bot and then I will TP.
Cover the Ascar, guys.
Oo. Cover Oscar, guys. He's communicating, guys. Baka naman pagbigyan nyo na, guys. Pag hindi nyo pinalo yan, magagalit yan. Pinoy pa man din yan.
Careful bottom, bro.
Okay. Okay, brother. Okay, I got you. Okay, I show myself to him. He thinks he can kill me solo. Is this guy an idiot? Or what?
Ready bottom to, la. Ready ka.
Oh, okay, pre.
Tasa rush down ako, gate. Okay.
Okay. Okay, pre. Booyah! Asos!
Guys,
Double kill!
Sige kayo, kailangan nata.
Kailangan talaga yan.
Aegis, ha?
Kaya mo pa?
Guys, TP. TP trend.
Ano pa bang andyan?
Your bottom tower is under siege.
Ala, hindi nag-time mo kanina. Naros ba ako?
Okay, may silence. Auto-silence yan, guys. Kill him.
Is this part of an elaborate trap you're going to
Double kill!
later? Because it looks like they're really
Ganap
falling
ka na
down.
talagang Twitch streamer sa lahat na nanonood dyan. With PC ka, pwede kayo mag-type na lurk tapos gawin yung 1% volume na you know, magamit talaga si Chuya, oh. Ba, ayutan Lord Lan, Bansel. Salamat sa lahat, Chuya. Baka Chuya yan, pre.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Manta. Wala, Mage Slayer pa din.
Your middle tower is under siege.
Slayer pa din to, guys. Kakaroon ako ng mana problem eh. Mage Slayer na may disarm.
Ready bot, ready bot.
Kita. Warded doon, warded.
Uy, nagpasobra ka tol ah.
Warded dito. Doon umangat yung Oscar o tsaka ano dyan kanina eh. Larky eh. Kaya kita niyo si Witch
Your
Doctor.
top tower is under siege.
Napasobra tol ah! Napasobra tol!
Your top tower is being attacked. The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Nice ka doy.
Your top tower is under attack. But you probably already knew that.
Kamusta yung jug nila?
Your top tower is
As mod mo sa Facebook gawin ko rin dito. Oh! Derek Lloyd! Baka Derek Lloyd yan! Bang item nitong asset na to? Hi!
Going ako bot pre. Nandiyan pa ba? Nasa ito Scar, nasa ito Scar. Gagawin ka.
Ano, aabot ka ba? Wala naman na pare, malis na. Shrunk na lang. Na lang, shrunk. Wow! Yeah! Go, go, go. Wow! Yeah, kailangan ko ng ano.
has fortified structure.
Tapos, yun lang.
Your top tower is
Reset lang. Puki ng ina nun eh. May start pa guys ha.
Get set!
Oh, na-triangle. Ay, so, hindi siya na-sandwich pre. Anyways, fine, it's fine. It's fine.
bottom tower
Farm,
has been
guys, farm.
destroyed.
At ka na pre.
Baka Derek Lloyd yan!
Perahin yan.
Bait-baitan kasi double. Oh, syempre pre.
Tap ka na lang. Tap.
Ganyan talaga ang technique pre. Nag-double down ba ako? Parang hindi naman.
Your
Nag-double down ba ako?
tower is under attack.
Diba hindi?
You're allowed to start trying now.
Jesus, tapang tao naman na ito pre. Get the high ground. Walang ko-connect. Walang ko-connect na core pre. Out na. Wala yung CK. May namatay pa din. Nice.
Ready Trent tas. Ready.
Ready ka? Sige. Punta ako. Tumo pa lang lumaban eh. Ade, arats. Basic.
Your middle tower is being
Double kill!
Ang ina, hindi nakuha. Wala tuloy slow. Na-KS.
Tol oh. Pwede ka pa yan, sir.
Sarap eh. Ready, always ready to. Baka TikTok boy to. Wala akong smoke. Dust pala, smoke. Ayaw pa kasing mag-back eh, no?
Your top tower has been destroyed.
Pag ikaw nabash ha,
Ready.
Putang ina mo, Islar! Bobang puta!
Garbage someplace else!
Patawa ang puta!
Ginagawa mo dun, Slarky.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. Tower has fallen.
Kaya na yun lang yun. Akala niya malakas siya eh. Hindi niya alam. Madami akong mana boy.
Arcane, I need Arcane, guys. Arc me, arc me. Need sentry, sentry, guys.
Gago.
Pinakat yung wave, ah. Mid, guys, mid. Press natin para mapag-DP. Tayo, mid.
Dire structures have been fortified.
Did you see
Radiant
that?
structures have been fortified.
Ready.
Your bottom tower has fallen.
Double kill!
Wala, masyado ka malakas, pre. Sobra lakas mo.
The enemy's middle tower has been destroyed.
Anong oras na? Ano, mag-11 na pala.
Tayo, bottom.
So there's that. The enemy's middle barracks has been destroyed. The enemy's
Na lang
middle
top, wala palang creeps. Kinat. Up na lang
Your
top.
bottom tower is under siege. Your bottom tower is being attacked. Dire's barrier has fallen. Dire's barrier has been
Hindi ata, guys.
murdered.
May creeps tayo. Put sentry,
The
put sentry.
enemy's top tower has fallen. That should delay the inevitable.
Put sentry, guys. Put sentry.
Radiant has fortified its structures.
Laban pa ba itong mga to?
The enemy's top tower has
Out.
Automatic. Kaya gusto ah.
Your middle tower is under attack.
What time Russian,
Doing
guys?
Whatever it was you were doing.
TMT daw, TMT. Bakit di yun tumakbo?
Okay, wait, Russian. Let's go Tormentor first.
Nag-tormentor na ba? Ba't hindi na ano?
Shoutout, boss.
Uy, streamer ba to? Streamer ba to? Baka JD Wata yan, tol. Streamer ba to? Shoutout daw eh. TikTok streamer siguro to.
Russian, guys. Russian. Top taas, sabay, ano lang. Open na naman yung top eh.
Send, guys, send.
Slowly but surely.
May jump pala si Torrento eh. Pupunta na itong Torrento na tinira lang yung early ko eh.
Your shrine has fallen to the dawn.
Press lane, guys. Anyone? Go press. Tara, pilitin natin labanan, guys.
Sige, sobrang lakas mo naman eh. May-ari niyan, parisan sa patay. Hindi ba taputang yan? Ano yung ano?
Okay lang ata, wala silang ano. Walang 40, okay lang. Huwag nyo habulin.
Ano yung ano niya, pinag-candidate niya, pre?
The enemy's top barracks has fallen.
Senado ba? O ano? O ano lang? Local shit lang?
Top barracks have been
Local position ba? O national? Ano talaga? Ang kapal naman talaga pag nagsinado pa yan.
bottom tower has been destroyed.
Tawa.
Vendor party list.
Wala na naman tayo.
Local lang. Kala ko nag-national position. Tong nila.
At na ako, ha. Ito lang, guys. Mid nyo ako. Stay lang kayo. Sa mid mo, ano. Open yung mid. Okay guys, stay. Go. Ready guys, ready.
Ano lang, mababas yan, pre. Yun lang. Ako yung nabas.
Double kill.
Siya maging representative. Pinat
Talaga panalo ba?
The enemy's bottom barracks has fallen. You explored.
Shoutout daw to Panalo, pre. Panalo, boy. Panalo, pre! National din talaga ako bumoto. Konsihal. Councilor lang naman pala, guys, eh.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Ilan lang talo ko ngayong araw? Wala. Double down ba lahat? Parang hindi ako nag-double down, ha. 70% nga kasi ang win rate ko dito, boss. Hindi ko ba nananiwala sa 70% win rate? 70% win rate yan, tol! Basic! Out na ako, guys. May appointment ako ng 11 eh. Pero syempre, bago tayo mag-out, magpa-plug muna ako ng Melbet, guys, sa mga gusto maglaro ng cards, lalo na mga backer at lures dyan. Gamitin nyo yung aking link na melbet.cc/ph-chanong. Gamitin nyo yung code na chang777 pag nagre-register kayo. Magko-comment lang ako, guys. Nagsisi-comment sila sa akin eh. Change hero na ba? Oo, by patch na, pre. Sobrang ano eh. Sobrang baba ng win rate ko sa patch recently, pre. So, ayun lang. Ayan, madaming ano dito, aquarium oh. Aquarium, sabi ni sino yung nagsabi ng aquarium dito kanina. Ginawang aquarium sa Melbet. Aquarium pa yun! Yan tayo, naiiwan na yun. Wala, panalo tayo, pre. Ganyan talaga, pre. Yan, check na lang yung aquarium namin, guys, sa Melbet, guys, oh. Huwag nyo kalimutan gamitin yung aking link, ha. Yan na yung aquarium namin sa Melbet. Melbet log. Wala tayong panalo, pre! Uy! Panalo pala kayo lahat umaga, oh. 3-3-3, guys. Double down pa yan. Anyway, out na ako, guys. Bye-bye.